Do you ever feel like no matter how hard you try, your English just isn't improving? Maybe you watch videos, maybe you memorize words, but when it's time to speak, you freeze. Don't worry, you are not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to actually practice English every single day. Even if you're busy, even if you're shy, and even if you don't live in an English-speaking country. You don't need to spend hours memorizing grammar rules. You don't need to live in the UK or America. You don't need a native speaker sitting next to you. What you need are simple, smart habits. Things you can actually do daily that gradually make English a part of your life. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete step-by-step plan to speak more naturally without translating in your head, boost your confidence so you don't freeze in conversations, improve your listening and pronunciation, and make English a natural part of your daily routine. Step 1. Listen to English every single day. Listening is the foundation of speaking. If your ears aren't trained, your mouth will struggle to speak naturally. You might think, I don't understand everything I hear. That's okay. Listening isn't about catching every word. It's about training your brain to recognize the rhythm, the sounds, and the flow of English. Even if you understand just 30 to 50%, your brain is still learning. Start with things you enjoy. Podcasts, YouTube videos, songs, or news for learners. Play English in the background while walking, cooking, or before going to bed. Just 10 to 15 minutes a day consistently will make English feel more natural over time. Step 2. Shadowing. Listening alone isn't enough. Shadowing is repeating what you hear immediately. It trains your brain and your mouth to work together. Here's how it works. Play a sentence in English and immediately repeat it. Same speed, tone, and rhythm. Don't pause to translate. Just copy the sounds like an echo. Repeat. I want to improve my English every day. Again, I want to improve my English every day. Now, I listen carefully and repeat confidently. One more. Shadowing helps me speak naturally. At first, it may feel awkward or difficult, and that's fine. Shadowing isn't about perfect understanding. It's about training your brain and mouth to work together. Even 5 minutes daily will improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. Step 3. Think in English. One of the biggest barriers to fluency is translation. Most learners think in their native language first and then translate. By the time you do that, The conversation has moved forward. To speak naturally, you must train your brain to think directly in English. Start small. Describe simple things around you. It's morning. I need tea. The weather is hot. As you go through the day, I'm working. I feel tired. I want to rest. At first, it will feel slow, but with practice, you'll start thinking in English automatically. Later, you can even speak these thoughts out loud quietly, like a private conversation. Over time, your brain stops translating and your speaking speed improves naturally. Step 4. Read aloud. Silent reading is useful, but reading aloud is where the magic happens. Your mouth learns the sounds. Your ears hear your own voice, and your brain connects ideas faster. Think of it like a workout. Just as muscles get stronger with daily exercise, your English speaking improves with consistent practice. Here's a simple routine. Read a short text slowly, focusing on pronunciation. Read again faster, focusing on rhythm. Read a third time with expression, like telling a story to a friend. This practice strengthens your voice, confidence, and fluency. Your English will sound smoother, more natural, and expressive. Step 5. Live English. Don't just study, make it part of your daily routine. When English becomes natural, learning stops feeling like homework. Here's how. Change your phone to English. You'll see words like update, download, or settings every day. Passive learning at work. Keep a short diary. Write 3 sentences about your day. It only takes 5 minutes, but over time, your grammar and vocabulary improve. Record 1-minute voice notes. Talk about your day or plans. Don't worry about mistakes. Listening back helps you improve pronunciation and confidence. Join an English community online. Read messages, send short texts, or voice notes. Real practice builds real fluency. Use short social media videos for practice. Pause, repeat, and copy rhythm, tone, and expression. Even 20 seconds daily can make a big difference. Fluency isn't about cramming hours once a week. It's about small, repeated actions every day. 10 minutes listening, 5 minutes shadowing, thinking in English, reading aloud, writing 3 sentences. Tiny actions done daily build strong habits, and strong habits make fluent speakers. Here's my message. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start today with one small habit. Every time you listen, shadow, or think in English, you move one step closer to fluency. I want to know, which of these 5 steps will you start today? Comment below. I read every comment and I'd love to hear from you. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe. I'll keep sharing practical tips to help you speak English confidently and naturally. Remember, don't just study English, live it. That's the secret to fluency. See you in the next video. If you are learning new from this channel, please subscribe and hit bell icon.